Alright guys, how's it going? Well, here from ZaltekReviews.com. Quite excited about this one today. Been waiting on this for months. It's the Dryden Heartlander, and I pre-ordered this in March. So quite a good few months ago. So let's get into it, shall we? I've got my camera and my tripod as far up as I can go, far out. Let's see. Now, I've not opened it. All I done was cut the sellotape. So what you're seeing is what I'm seeing for the first time. Put that there. Oh, fancy. Right. This isn't a collaboration with Dryden or anything. I actually seen this on Instagram when they first announced it back in March, and I thought, I'm having that, definitely. So I just paid for it, obviously pre-ordered, and it arrived about I don't know what, an hour ago. What's this? There, you can see the watch there, obviously. Thank you. Well, thank you so much for helping bring the Heartlander project to life. We sincerely appreciate your patience and support. As a token of our gratitude, we included an extra FKM rubber strap with your order. We hope you enjoy your purchase, and please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or feedback. Best wishes to you and your family. That's cool, eh? Handwritten note, I like that. Lovely, and a free strap too, quality. Oh, that's a nice case. How the fuck do you get this out? Right, let's get rid of that. Right then. Excited about this one. Ooh, that's all a bit posh, isn't it? What's in here? Oh shit. How to set the date and time, how to size the bracelet. I know that's my invoice. Lovely. Nice. Got to say, the packaging's lovely, man. This leather is really good quality. Dead soft. It's nice stitching. Aye, I like that. Put that out there. Ooh. Let's see the strap. I know you all want to see the watch as much as I do. Oh, come on. Huh? Quality. Nice and soft. That's fitted in. Don't know. Anyway, let's get into the watch. Oh, check that out. Let's see. Nice. I need to sit down. Hold on. Sit down so I can have a closer inspection of it. Christ, my camera's fucking miles away. Oof. Let's see then. I'm not going to bother giving you all the specs and everything, because I'll do that. I'm going to review it, do a full review on it. This is just an unboxing and see what you get in the box, an initial impression of the watch. It's still covered in plastic. I'm going to take the plastic off now. I'm not bore you with that. But that is lovely. A really nice field watch. Date at 6. Nice Arabics, I love that. Finishing's really good, by the way. I'm impressed. Well, this was worth the wait. Nice bracelet. Lovely clasp. Four levels of micro adjust. Really nice bracelet too. Ah. I've got 3 videos to make today. I'm a bit busy. But the next video is going to have to wait because I'm sizing this up. Taking all the plastic off and getting it on wrist. I'm impressed with that. Right guys, I'll just leave that there. That's it. Just a quick unboxing video. But more videos to come, as I mentioned. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next video. Toodles!